Welcome, traders, to our presentation on trading price action reversals by Al Brooks. Today, we'll explore the exciting world of price action trading and how it can help you achieve success in the markets. Price action trading is a method of analyzing and interpreting market data based solely on the movement of prices. It's a powerful approach that can provide valuable insights into market trends and potential reversals. And when it comes to price action trading, few are as renowned as Al Brooks. Price action refers to the movement of a security's price over time. It is the study of how prices behave and is based on the idea that price reflects all available information about a security. In other words, price action traders believe that the market is efficient and that the price of a security reflects all known information about it. Price action trading involves analyzing past price movements to identify patterns and predict future price movements. This can be done using charts and technical analysis tools such as trend lines, support and resistance levels, and moving averages. By understanding price action, traders can make more informed decisions about when to buy and sell securities. A reversal is a change in the direction of a price trend, often occurring after an extended period of time. It can be a signal that the previous trend is losing momentum and a new trend is beginning. Reversals can happen in any market and at any time, making them an important concept for traders to understand. Reversals matter in trading because they can provide valuable information about market sentiment and potential future price movements. By identifying reversals, traders can make more informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade, potentially increasing their profits and minimizing their losses. Al Brooks is a renowned trader and author who has made significant contributions to the field of price action trading. His approach to trading price action reversals is based on a deep understanding of market psychology, and he employs a range of strategies to identify profitable trades. One of the key principles of Al Brooks's approach is to focus on the raw price movement of a security, rather than relying on indicators or other technical analysis tools. He also places a strong emphasis on risk management, using tight stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Overall, his approach is designed to help traders navigate the complexities of the market with confidence and clarity. Risk management is a crucial part of successful trading. Al Brooks recommends using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and protect your capital. Chart analysis is another key aspect of his approach. He advises traders to focus on price action and to look for patterns that indicate a potential reversal. Psychology is also important. Traders need to be disciplined and patient, and to avoid emotional reactions to market movements. In conclusion, we have explored the fascinating world of trading price action reversals by Al Brooks. We have learned about the principles and strategies that he uses to approach this topic, and we have gained practical tips for successful trading. By understanding what price action is and how reversals work, we can make informed decisions in our trading journey. Remember that successful trading requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn. As you explore this topic further, keep an open mind and continue to hone your skills. With dedication and practice, you too can become a successful trader using Al Brooks's approach. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.